My name is Brian McDonald. I am a CNC machinist here in the physics department. I came in here in November of 2007, and that was the end of the petawatt laser, which is the project here on campus. And that really piqued my interest. That really was like, wow, this is a door opening, you know, like Pandora's box of what's going to happen. And I've been fortunate to work on a lot of things, measuring methane gas at the bottom of the ocean, atom chambers. The design and the concepts brought in by the physicists and the students, the grad students and everybody else, you have no concept of what they actually do. But when you make something and you see it working, and it's like, wow, you sit back and you take a look at it. This is physics. This is what it's all about.